I'm super excited to share with you this multi-pin tool plotting system. It will do auto pin changes. You don't need any special software. It's just a clever 3D print and how you set up your pins. Something you can definitely do with your CNC. I'll probably have to spread it over a few videos, and I'm going to show you in action so you can see whether this is something you'd really like. And it doesn't cost you more than maybe a $2 3D print, which you can have somebody do for you if you don't own a 3D printer. It's a really nice addition to your CNC, and it gives you some new capabilities. So I hope you enjoy this. This is a multi-tool plotter that you can set up for your CNC. What I've done is I've drilled a hole that's 10.4 millimeters wide and 25 millimeters deep to set my markers in. They're evenly spaced every 50 millimeters across. And then I 3D printed a connector, which I will give you the code that you can generate your own in OpenSCAD. And then all you have to do is you have to align the connector with different parts when you want to connect by running certain Gcode. It's not as complicated as it sounds. I want to show it in operation right now so you can get an idea. And then the good news is for maybe less than $5, you can set up your own plotter system on your CNC. It's pretty great, and I'll show you in action here. Just remove the markers just because it'll let you see what's being printed. You certainly wouldn't need to do that if you are running this. You can just have them all sitting in the trays. Proof of concept, and as a side note, I also have an OpenSCAD program where you can put in any time you want, and it will draw out a clock for you with all the hands in the correct position for any hour, any minute, and it'll generate a SVG file that, if you wanted to, you could do extrusions on inside that program, or drag it over and V-carve something for a clock you might want to make. So it's kind of a nice feature. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you'll consider making your own. And I'll be coming in future videos with the file so that you don't have to go through all the prototyping that I went through to get this to work. But the bottom line is you don't need any special software, and that's the amazing thing. Although you'll want OpenSCAD just so you can 3D print your model, or else you'll have to have somebody else 3D print it for you.